How to disable recommended videos on your YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In today's video, we are going to see how you can easily disable recommended videos on your YouTube. So let's say if you have been browsing through your YouTube ad and there are certain videos that have been recommended to you that you don't want on your feed. In that case, just follow these steps to get rid of them. First of all, you will have to open YouTube. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will get certain types of video that you would not like to see on your homepage. And in that case, what you can do is first head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you do that, you can just tap on the gear icon at the top right to open up your settings. And now all you have to do is scroll down a bit until you see your data in YouTube. You can just tap on it and wait for it to load. Now you will be landed on this kind of interface right here. Just make sure that you are logged in with your correct account. Now, all you have to do here is scroll down a bit. Here you will see your YouTube dashboard. If you have any videos available, it will have an option to download your data or transfer your data. And if you scroll down once again, you will see all of your YouTube watch history. Now, in this case, what you want to do is tap on Manage YouTube Watch History, and once you do that, you will get this delete option and then delete all time. So doing this will clear out your entire YouTube history, and then there will be nothing left on your YouTube watch history because YouTube recommends certain kind of videos that you have watched in the past, and you will be recommended those similar kind of videos. Now all you have to do is turn off your YouTube watch history for once, and once you turn it off, all you have to do is refresh your app and turn it back again. And after doing that, your recommendation videos will be deleted. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.